Hi everyone! For those of you who are not very familiar with Word, here is a very short video to help you find my comments once you open a document and you start looking at whatever I'm asking you to do for your next submission. Uh, Unfortunately, I have the French version of Word, but you can try to follow along. First of all, make sure that you can see all of the things. You click on the boxes, comments, my annotation, whenever I want you to insert or remove from your text. And if you click on all those boxes, you will be able to look at the comments. In the margin, you will look at every single comment individually with in the margin. Sometimes I add some links to your APA, some websites, some comments. Make sure you read all of those. Once you solve the problem, you just click on it, on the comment, and you can suppress it to get rid of it, because for the next time you don't want to hand in a paper with comments in it. The second thing is for the comments in the margin. So wherever you see a red mark, that means I have spotted a mistake. And for this, you can look at the track changes. So if you look at track changes, you see that I make a lot of comments, and you are free to accept them or not. Okay, so you can accept every single one of those by clicking on it and accept it like this, and make sure that you remove everything, all of these comments, before the next submission. And sometimes I will add some marking inside the text, so make sure that you don't leave them in and that you remove them. Oh, I forgot one. A quicker way is to accept all of the modification, so you can just remove them. If you start typing and it's in red, it's because you're still in the track changing mode. So if this is on, everything that you write will be written in red. So if you ever are stuck with this, just click on track changes in the revision, and this will you will be able to type normally in normal characters again. If you have question of what I'm telling you right now is a bit confusing, please let me know. Send me a mail, and I also will hold a question and answer period before the final submission. Until then, bye.